What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct, and we are going to install some Boomba Racing Wing Risers specific for the Fiesta ST. Now these are going to give the Fiesta a nice aggressive look because it's not only going to lift the wing up off this back hatch here, but it's also going to angle a little bit and give it a little bit of gap between the body and the actual wing, which is going to force airflow down along the back window. It's going to help clean off any dust. It's going to look awesome, and it should be a pretty easy install. So let's go ahead and get started. And that's it. You've successfully installed your Boomba Wing Risers on your Fiesta ST. The installation was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, especially considering I was by myself. I bet if you had somebody helping you out, it would go a lot quicker, especially the adjustments of the actual risers and locking them down. But I think this thing looks absolutely sick on this car. The car definitely needed a little bit more aggressiveness. I think this did just the trick. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, but we'll see you guys next time.